Where'd you go?
Okay. Oh, buddy.
I'm set beside Grandpa. Getting ready to light fireworks. Yep.
That's it. That was all of them.
I was going to say, I thought,
Miles, come over here fast.
glad you know how much.
It's green.
That was his start. That was his start. That's what that was.
Those are the parts.
Yeah, those are the parts.
In the dark. Here's Miss Heather in the dark.
Well, they sent him out
Oh, baby.
I love you
Have a good
too.
time with you.
I love you too, even though you're a childish person.
I thought you were going to say I'm childish.
No. Well, that too. But I'm pretty childish myself.
Here we go.
I think July down.
Little fountain. Tired.
Yeah, you're supposed to kiss me in the fireworks.
Ah, there you go. That's the first kiss I've had in fireworks. Good God.
Oh, damn.
Jesus. What was on me? A fly? Oh, it's a firefly got him. It's ricocheted.
My Uncle Chris is the one out there lighting them.
The Frank talking joke.
My Uncle Jake's nuts. So, look at all.
Mario can, he reminds me of my grandfather as an 8-year-old.
Oh, yeah, he talks.
He's a big talkative. He'll just talk to anybody. He don't
Have
care.
you met Bradley?
Yes.
Bradley never shuts up. He doesn't even shut up to sleep. He talks in his sleep all night.
Does he have like a sleep machine or?
Me?
No, your brother, Bradley.
No.
No.
But that's what he talks in his sleep all night. It's like, oh my gosh, boy, shut up. Breathe.
Yeah, I saw when you were in and put that Nintendo and I said, where's your thing? And I saw you have an extension cable.
Yeah.
You know. If that was my room, it was that it'd be just a mattress on the floor. It's just how I was.
I did have just the mattress on the floor. My mom's like, don't you want a bed frame? And I'm like, no, I'm fine. And she's like, I'm going to get you a bed frame.
And this was like
Fireworks smell.
firework mixed with dog shit smell. He's gonna run to it.
Mom's got him. She's chased a few topplers. Oh, good God, Luke. Everywhere we went, it was like he ran off.
Oh yeah, 3. God damn. What was that?
It's a firework, you ding dong.
These damn fireflies. Get away from me, lightning bugs. We didn't even get a cake or nothing. My mom isn't. Oh, what? It's like, Mom, I'm 31, Mom. It doesn't matter. It's not like I'm 4.
If she doesn't have a cake for you for your birthday, then I'm gonna stop. We'll stop by like Lance's or something, and I'll get some.
No, you doing that for me. You don't need to do that. I we spend
You don't want a cake for your birthday?
I don't care. I just don't want you buying. Look at that. Yeah, I had these little fizzy things that were in the air, like cool fireworks afterwards. It was
Yeah, I didn't go to. I don't.
It was hell. It was
Last
chaotic.
2 years, I haven't gone to the park.
I was the first time ever. I thought I was gonna make it 'cause I had the white car, you know. I mean that exhaust problem, but it was packed. Everybody's car was there. And well, that was nice. Whoa! Oh! Fireworks go out every time I get to the job. Someone's getting sick now. The fireworks. Woohoo!
Stop talking like that.
Quit being so fucking loud. You're turning me. Oh, I got my eye. It was chaparral.
I'm kidding.
Yeah, they were long yesterday. They were 21 minutes. Marion's usually suck.
That's you videoing me, taking a picture of you?
Hey, get a picture where I'm not hitting my boyfriend.
Yeah, it's not supposed to shoot out into the grass.
Fireworks.
It's raining fireworks.
It's just fireworks.
Is that a worm on my shoe?
Daddy, Tanner,
What?
what's next one gonna be?
I don't know.
I don't
We'll
know.
find out.
Look at those over there.
Be patient.
There's an alien up there. A little plane. I used to call those aliens when I was younger.
Yeah, they always did kind of look like aliens. My glasses are fogged.
Yeah. Mine's a little bit. Here we go. Look at bum bum. Oh! Yeah, Ronnie.
I'm really re-sunburned today. Oh my goodness. Same spot too. I'm lathering on the sunscreen, but yeah.
I wish you were peeling so I could peel your skin off. I love peeling the skin.
Mine doesn't really do
I
that.
know, mine don't do it anymore either. I hate it.
It does like dry skin almost, but it doesn't like kill.
I'll sit with Nicole.
No, we're skeletons.
That one of the grounds scared me. Did that scare you? I was thinking, oh, there goes my computer. Well, one probably.
Not to mention, have you met Aiden?
Yeah, I played basketball. Yeah, I played basketball, but he was good. Hey, you want to play? Sure, I'll play.
That's Aiden.
Yeah, we got a couple fountains at home we're gonna do tomorrow with Mom and me. pop. Oh, toot.
That was cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope they left the TV on this time.
The red, white, and blue. Billy. I wish I knew what that song was.
It's a love shack. Where we can get together.
Oh, the
Love shack, babe.
B-52s. Oh.
Love shack.
What's that slow motion? Love shack.
You know, I didn't realize this until the other day. You know the scene in the Rugrats movie where all the babies are singing?
Yeah.
Like in the hospital?
Yeah.
The B-52s are in there. Like, there's some of the babies. Like, the babies that go, hey, you, where's this? And, you know. The B-52s are a part of that.
I remember that movie. That was the first soundtrack I got. The Rugrats movie album when I was 7.
Yeah.
I bought them at Karma, which was they sold Ticketmaster and stuff, but also
Oh, I remember that.
it was the front. They did drugs back in the back. They had a big drug operation in the back.
Yeah.
Now it's an old flea market. What it used to be is now. That's a MIG pen. It's like a Chihuahua firework. They're all really nasty.
Invading this blanket.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna go to the coochie hole. I'm gonna put my bug up there.
Sometimes it sounds like my grandfather. He's like, alright, one last time. I'm gonna poop at her.
Okay, look at that.
Sit.
Right here.
Sit.
Fountains. Look over there. Woo! 3 of them.
Wow, what's that spinning thing down there?
Alright.
You okay?
Whistle. Whistle. There goes the pin off. There he is. E.T. Go home. That was a Mazel Tov. It was a Jew word, wasn't it?
It was.
It was a Jew word.
What did you laugh?
It was a UFO firework. It was E.T. Call home. Shit. Fucking feel it. Oh, there's shrapnel. Damn. Oh. Oh, good damn. That was tight. I like that one. That one, Ronnie.
Yeah.
You okay?
Quit touching the balls, Ronnie. What do you do? Quit grabbing your genitals.
That's okay. My cousin Carson was doing that earlier out in the pool. Hey, it's not gonna fall off. Don't keep grabbing it. Come on.
He's probably in puberty already.
Oh, no, he
18.
wouldn't. No, that's not. No, he wouldn't. Oh, we're gonna light 3 at once.
Here comes Bo. Let's go. Run again. Ryan, don't watch out. Don't put that anywhere. You'll hit somebody. Nope.
He's pretending to shoot someone.
Yeah, before we got here, I ended up going past the gas city because I want to see what it looks like. I was like, yep. Marion's was
good luck.
packed. That was great.
Oh, there's a smiley.
This is totally beats last year. Last year sucked.
I've been getting rained on.
Oh, there we go. I got rained on there a little bit. Little shrapnel.
I got a full piece of shrapnel.
Look at my hand. Oh, I never felt.
What was I saying?
I don't know.
Oh, good luck getting through the Gas City fireworks, because it is a nightmare to get out of that.
Oh yeah, the Marion's was great. I took his bow. Here he is, the young Jedi.
I think he's got mommy with him this time.
Yeah.
Timer for that.
Kelly.
The timer for that show, they had a 50-minute
No, he's got mommy.
firecracker. 50 minutes to have a firecracker. 50-minute firecracker.
Wow, these bug things are working so well.
Oh, too late.
Good thing I'm gonna wash this after tonight.